Right, Pat, well done with today's 2-0 victory. What would you put it down to?
Hard work, determination, desire, discipline.
In terms of the actual the performance today, it was an excellent result, wasn't it?
They've done very well. They've done really well. The first half, I thought we moved the ball well. I thought we, pressed them at the right times. I thought the front two's movement was great. They were struggling to cope with it. The park was terrible today. It wasn't worked on during the week, which was disappointing. It wasn't rolling, it wasn't cut, so it was bobbly. So we said to them, you need to get the ball early to strikers and you get it in the channels, and they've done that. They played to instruction and it worked for us. It
was a right tough clash though, wasn't it? Petershill came looking for a result today and they worked hard and came away with nothing.
Petershill's a huge club with a great tradition, and they're down at the bottom of the league fighting for their lives, and it was only right and proper that their players put the effort into what you would expect, and that effort wasn't good enough on the day for them, but fortunately enough for us it was. I thought we were a better team.
The goals were stunning.
Goals were crackers. You know, it's a nice piece of play by Eddie and Paul Coyle getting out to Ryan. Ryan does what Ryan does. He draws people in, commits them, and he gives a great delivery. But even with delivery being so good, Andy's still got a lot of work to do, and for him to get that header back across goal for the distance he did was a fantastic goal. I'm really pleased for Andy. That's 3 goals in 3 games now.
And then Martin Dow's second goal. What can you say about that?
Martin Dow, great player for us. Unsung hero, absolutely fantastic player for us. Come on, done a great job last week against Athlone, bottomed up the midfield for us, kept it strong. We asked him to do the same today. You know, they call him Martin the Destroyer because he destroys the play up, but today he had a phenomenal effort just before that one, and his finish for the second one was sublime.
There was a few nervy moments as well today, though, wasn't there? Petershill hit the post and twice, I think, didn't they?
I think the second one was more a deflection that came off of one of their players and come up. Petershill very dangerous at set pieces, but I thought we dealt with it. I thought Big Robbie and the whole back four, indeed Craig Black as well, had a great game today again. Very good all round the back four today. Clean sheet again, 2 in a row.
Craig Black got man of the match as well, and he had a clearance off the line too.
Craig's a great player, so he's very determined, focused, listens to what we ask him today and then applies it. Really good player for us all year, consistently one of our better players all year.
What do you think has been the difference in the last 2 games? Obviously Largs been in a losing run, now on a winning run.
I think the difference is clear for everybody to see. With 13 players injured, no club can kick on with that amount of players injured. We signed Big Robbie and we signed June, both great signings at a great time for us. We get 3 players back for injury and we've kicked on from there. We're a good team.
In terms of it's now looking ahead to the Beath game, obviously it was a really tight affair last game. Probably the same again next week.
I know. Beath are a league champions. They're a very good team. They've had 2 good results now back to back. They won again convincingly today. They beat Pollok last week. So Beath's a tough challenge for any team at any time. You know, even senior teams have struggled against Beath this year, as we've seen in the Scottish Cup. But we'll be confident getting into this one on Saturday. We're playing at home, and boys feel a wee bit of grief for cup tie for how that pans out and the effort they put in with little return at it. So bring them on.
Right, excellent. Okay, well done today, Pat.
Okay.